My name's Gareth Doherty. I teach at the GSD.
And I'm Stephen Caton, and I teach in anthropology.
And we're offering a course called Design Anthropology. This is the second time that we've offered this course, which looks both at the design of anthropology, asks how anthropology can be adapted to be more useful to designers, but also it designs anthropology in the sense that we're trying to adapt anthropological methods to be more useful to designers and planners.
The first half of the course will really be dealing about what anthropology is and what design anthropology is, so we'll have readings on that. But also methods of field work and methods of note-taking, which are very important to understanding how to understand designed objects in their multifaceted contexts. And to bring this all home on a practical way for students, we will have a practicum for them where they do a sort of a small project, ethnographic project on a designed object in a specific context in Cambridge. Meantime, we will introduce students to their new field site that they will go to in the spring in the Bahamas.
The Exumas is a chain of islands about 200 kilometers long in the Bahamas. And these are an example of some of the locations, which is Little Farmers Key, Black Point, Staniel Key. Last year when we taught the course, we had half GSD students and half anthropologists. Ideally, we'll have the same mix this year. And students will go in pairs to small communities in the Exumas over spring break, and we'll conduct ethnographic fieldwork. We will experiment with new technologies in conducting fieldwork, recording data. But the critical thing is that the fieldwork needs to then be developed into design proposals and policy proposals.
Yeah, so in the second half of the course, after the fieldwork in the Bahamas, we will come back and have a chance to reflect on what we have found in the Bahamas and reflect on that in terms of certain key themes in design anthropology, some of which are motivated by the contingencies of the field site. And we will then go week by week trying to analyze these islands in terms of those themes, and the end of which we will ask the students either to write an essay, a narrative essay, in which they now kind of summarize what they've learned about these islands in terms of these concepts, or do a proposition, as you call it, in your design field, an actual design project. We basically will have a practicum in the first half of the course, field work and field notes and documentation in the middle part of the course when we go to the Bahamas, and finally an essay or design project at the end. And I think I'm really looking forward to this.
Yes, and me too. And the course will meet on Wednesday afternoons at the GSD.
So, hope to see you there.
See you soon.
Bye.